Hey guys, I wanted to send you a video today to help you remember what we learned today in class about using place value models to understand the standard algorithm and solve tonight's homework questions for multiplication. So I'm going to do number 13 for you. So number 13 says a male lion needs as much as 15 pounds of food each day or 105 pounds of food each week. How much food does a lion need in 1 year? And then they give us a hint. There are 52 weeks in 1 year. This is just like the question we worked on today in class, where they're giving us TMI, or too much information. So because the question is asking us about a week, we don't need to know how much they eat in 1 day, only that they eat 105 pounds of food each week, and that there are 52 weeks in 1 year. So when you set up your equation, you need to make sure that you use 105 pounds of food each week and that there are 52 weeks in a year. So we're going to begin with our ones place, and we're going to do 2 times 5 is 10. Carry your 1 to the tens place. 2 times 0 is 0. Plus 1 is 1. Then we're going to go to our hundreds place. 2 times 1 is 2. Now, remember we talked about this today before we can multiply the tens place, because this is actually 50. It's not just a 5. We have to make sure that we start with a 0. Now we're ready. So now we're going to do 5 times 5 is 25. So the 5 goes here. Make sure you carry the 2 to the tens place. 5 times 0 is always 0. Plus 2 is 2. Then 5 times 1 is 5. Perfect. Now we multiplied the ones place and the tens place. Once we get finished multiplying both place values, we've got to add these two together. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 2 is 4. And 5 plus nothing is 5. So, back to the question. How much food does a lion need in 1 year? The answer, 5,460 pounds of food. Don't forget to use your place value model tonight.